Have you ever seen a gentle-looking, dignified cat suddenly roll on the floor, zoom around the room, or stare into the void like they've seen a strange being? All thanks to catnip. But what is catnip? Why does it affect cats? Where is it from? And is it actually safe for cats? Let's break it down. Ever seen your cat sniff something, then suddenly flop over like their brain just blue screened? It is the catnip euphoria. Catnip is a very plant that turns gorgeous house cats into crazy furry zombies. What is catnip? Catnip is a plant called Nepeta cataria. It has a harmless look and a minty smell, but hidden inside is a chemical called nepetalactone, also known as the plant that gets cats high. What does it do to cats? When a cat smells or sniffs catnip, the nepetalactone in it hits receptors in their nose and sends a signal straight to their brain. Interestingly, it doesn't act like a drug. Rather, it mimics feline pheromones instead. It triggers their brain to think, oh yeah, pheromones. All of a sudden, the ultimate weird zombie mode is activated. This can include excessive rolling on the floor like they are in another world, drooling, purring, or running around like they are in a parkour or racing competition. They might also cuddle, become extremely affectionate, rubbing their heads on things. How about the zoomies at 6,000 miles per hour? Absolute display of insanity. They might even stare into spaces with dilated eyes, like they've seen a real-life ghost or something. While some cats get a burst of playful aggression. In a nutshell, there are several crazy reactions to it. The catnip effects varies in cats, but it usually lasts from 5 to 15 minutes. Thereafter, the cat becomes temporarily immune to it for about an hour. Fun fact, some cats do not react to catnip at all. I have a 2-year-old cat that has never reacted to catnip. The sensitivity to it is genetic, and survey says about 30 to 40% of cats do not react to it. Also, most young kittens under 3 months old do not respond to it. You may be curious and ask, why does it exist in the first place? In the wild, nepetalactone acts as a natural repellent to insects generally, and it protects and prevents plants from being eaten by bugs. Blame it on the cats who just happen to love it and get intoxicated for reasons best known to them. Let's talk about the advantages of catnip. As much as we find cats' reactions to it entertaining, it isn't just about the entertainment. Catnip has some true benefits. 1. It promotes more play and exercise, particularly for indoor cats who are less active or otherwise lazy. 2. It provides mental stimulation, reducing boredom and stress in cats. Catnip can also be used to correct unwanted habits like scratching on furniture. It can motivate cats to use scratching posts instead. 3. In some anxious cats, it can actually calm and make them more relaxed after the initial excitement. You may also wonder, how safe is catnip? Here comes the good news. Catnip is safe in totality and it is non-addictive. However, like the saying goes, too much of everything is bad. So moderation is key, because having too much of it can cause mild stomach upset or loose stool. When used in moderation, it's excitement for your cat as well as good enrichment. So the next time your cat loses their mind over catnip, remember, it's just science, genetics, and a little bit of feline magic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share it with a fellow cat lover. See you in the next one.